Guys, let's look at a rooms allocation management system using Microsoft Access and VBA. So in our next session, I'll be taking you through step-by-step construction of this system. So our system launches, we shall be having the splash form running up to 100%. So after running to 100%, you'll get the login screen where you are supposed to select the user. You key in the username and the password, then click on login. Then you'll be taken to the dashboard. This is our dashboard of our system, whereby we shall have the customer details, we shall have the bookings, we shall have the rooms. Then we shall be in a position to get the reports for available rooms, double booking, and room to be allocated. For instance, guys, customer details will be in a position to capture our customers here. So once we fill other details, our details will appear in this session, whereby you shall have now to feed. So this one will be taking you to the available customers. Then there is add button, there is save button, and a cross button. So on the other hand, you can do booking. Here we shall have now the booking ID, customer ID, that is the customer who has booked. For example, customer number 7 has booked room number 3. Date of check-in, let's say yesterday, and will be arriving today. Then booking status, this is confirmed. On the other hand, amount payable, you can just key in the amount. Like let's say this is 78. And the amount paid will be something like, for example, 78. So the balance will be 0. Then on the other hand, you can just now click on next. Sorry, you are supposed to save this record. And in case of any anomaly here, make sure that our relationship somewhere up here is okay. Let me just take you this one, then we shall go to the relationship. So we also have the rooms, like for example, we have room number 3, room number 4, room, okay, that's the type of the room can be double. We shall have double, that is double. Then you have status. This is our status is booked. Then location, it is in the ground floor. Attendance, let's say Mercy. Then from here we save our record. You can also go ahead to add a record. You can have room number 2. Room type single. Single. Then status of this room is available. Location is 2nd floor. Attendant will be done. Like that, done. Then you save our record. So I can now cross this form. Then now just go to the customer. The customer, we have customers already fed in our system. So booking now can be done. We just go to add record. Customer ID, let's say customer number 5. Customer number 5, booking room number 4. Checking date, let's say today. And we'll be leaving on 10th. Status confirmed. Then the amount available. You can just key in the amount available and amount paid. There. Then you can now save the record. Now, there is something that I wanted to explain over this. For now the system to work favorably, you can just make sure that the relationships up here is working and perfect. So database tools, relationships. Now, you'll notice that here we have the customer ID relating to customer ID. Now, customer here is the primary key on the customer, but here it's called a foreign key since it's getting data from this one. So you must fill customers first, then you fill the rooms, then you now do the booking as the last resort. So here we have the room ID as the primary key on the rooms table, but here in the rooms ID, we call it the foreign. So guys, the moment you fix the relationship, that is, you put the relationship in the correct manner, the system should now work. So now we have the customers on board, and I go back to my dashboard. I have my customers. See, I have my customers. So here I need to go to rooms, make sure that rooms are fed. You must fill the rooms, because you should not book a room that is not existing. Otherwise, it will bring an error. So we go for booking. We want to add a new record. We want to book a room. Customer number 5. Want to book room number 10. And the check-in date, let's say it was booked on Saturday, and checkout will be today. So it will be checked today. Then booking status was confirmed, and this guy paid 78,000 Kenya shillings and was supposed to pay around 65,000. So the system will show you the balance. The balance should be 13,000, and then you confirm by saving the record, and then you can now cross this one. So again, when you now go to the rooms here, guys, you realize that you'll be in a position to see the kind of system we are coming up with. It will be in a position to show you that we have booking ID number 4, customer number 3 is in room 7, customer number 5 is in room 10, and then they're confirmed. Then after doing that, you can be in a position now to see, to go to available, to see the available rooms. Available rooms here, room number 2 is available. It is single room. This is the available rooms. Also, you can be in a position to see whether there is any double booking. Like now we go to ID number 7. You see now number 7, there was a double booking here. Then room to be vacated so far, there isn't. There isn't room to be vacated so far. So from there, you can also update. Like now, if I cross this one, I can now check update room status. Like now, you see room ID number 7. You are about to update one. So I click on yes. So again, now when I go to available rooms here, still I have single. In case I check on double checking number 7, you see now, then room to be vacated, still I have 0. So the system here is actually allowing you to, that is, check available rooms, book rooms, etc. So I'll be taking you through this system, how the system is created. On the other hand, if you check on this digital rooms and accommodation, in case I want to change this one or to sell this program to somebody else, I just now needed to cross this one. This one. I can also cross this one. I just go now to a business here. You see now, when I go to business, this is where I change the contact of the new customer. Like now I can change the phone numbers. I've sold somebody with that phone number, and then he's like, let's say something like Lagos and Nairobi hotel rooms. See, now once I do that and click on yes, and I go to customers, it automatically changes the name of the enterprise. When I go to rooms, it automatically changes the name of the new customer. When you go to customers, it changes. So guys, keep in touch. Remember to subscribe if you haven't. I'll be now taking you through step by step way of coming up with this system.